Hello everybody, my name is Heng Sansati and today I will be doing question 24 SASMO. So let's start reading. The figure below consists of 3/4 of a circle and 1 square. The side length of the square is 42 centimeters and the area of the shaded region is a minus b square root of 3 centimeters squared, where a and b are both positive integers. Find the value of a plus b. Use pi equal to 22/7. So in order to do this question, we must construct more geometrical figures. So I'll construct one. So, let's name it A, B, C. So first we constructed triangle A, B, C. So we know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because the distance from AB is the same as the distance from BC because they are quarters of a circle. So we'll just keep it here. ABC equals to an equilateral triangle. Triangle. And now that we know that ABC is an equilateral triangle, we'll start by finding this part. We'll call this part X. X here. In order to find X, we'll have to take the full area of this part of the circle here minus with the area of a triangle ABC. In order to find the area of this part of the circle, we must find the angle. We know this angle is 60 degrees because this is an equilateral triangle. So in order to find this area, we would have to take 60 degrees over 360 times with the radius 42 squared times this pi, which we'll get as 1/6 times 42 squared times 22/7, which equals to 924 square centimeters. So now that we've found the area of this quarter circle, so now we'll have to find the area of triangle A, B, and C. We'll write it as SABC equals to 1/2 times base times height. The height of the equilateral triangle will be square root of 3/2 times this 42. Which when we do the calculations, we'll get 441 square root of 3 square centimeters. So now that we've found the area of triangle ABC and the area of this part of the circle, in order to find X, we must take the area of the part of the circle minus with the area of the equilateral triangle, which we get as X equals to 924 minus with 441 square root of 3 centimeters squared. So now we found X. Now we must make another geometrical figure. So we'll make another part of a circle. This part here, we'll call it as B. And we also know that this side equals to X. So we'll just call this side X again. So now let's find B. In order to find B, we must find the angle here. In order to find the angle here, we must know what angle this part is and what angle this part is. We can know what angle this part is because the angle of a square is 90 degrees and the angle of the equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So when we take 90 minus 60 degrees, we'll get 30 degrees. So we know that this part is 30 degrees. And now if you take another look, if we make another equilateral triangle here, right, this side will also equal to 30 degrees. So now that we know that this side here equals to 30 degrees and this side equals to 30 degrees, the side in the middle equals to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 30 degrees, which equals to 30. So we'll write the area of B equals to 30 degrees over 360 degrees times with 22 over 7, which is pi, times with 42 squared, equals to 1 over 12 times this 22 over 7 times this 1764. When we do the calculations, we'll get it as equal to 462. So now that we've known B and we know that these two parts are equal, in order to find the area of the shaded region, we must take B here plus with 2x. So we'll write area of the shaded region equals to B plus 2x, where we know that x equals to 924 minus 441 square root of 3 centimeters squared. So we'll get equals to 462 plus with 2 times with 924 minus 441 square root of 3. So when we do the calculations, we'll get 462 plus with 2 times 924 is 1,848 minus with 2 times 441 equals to 882 square root of 3. 462 plus with 1,848 equals to 2,310 minus with 882 square root of 3. So now that we know the area of the shaded region equals to 2,310 minus 882 square root of 3, let's look back to the question. The shaded region is A minus B square root of 3, which we can see here. So we'll write it as 2,310 minus 882 square root of 3 equals to A minus B square root of 3. So now we can see a resemblance. 2,310 equals to A, whilst 882 equals to B. The question they're asking is find the value of A plus B. So we'll get it as A equals to 2,310, whilst B equals to 882. So A plus B equals to 2,310 plus with 882, which equals to 3,192. So A plus B equals to 3,192. Thank you for listening.